Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. A relationship does not end due to the distance. Rather, when a relationship is on the verge of ending, then the distance increases. You can make an unworthy person worthy, but it is impossible to make a traitor trustworthy. The way water becomes ice as it gets colder, just like that, a heart becomes stone after a time as it gets pain. Do not create your likelihood towards someone while talking to that person. This is a very bad reason of feeling bad. Do not make a habit of talking to someone in such a way so that if that person stops talking to you, you feel breathless. Do not think of someone as personal who thinks of you as optional. The person who does not give you the importance of 2 pennies, do not give that person the importance of 1 penny. Do not be free for that person always who made you wait for days after days. Forget that person who does not feel the need to remember you. Be indifferent towards that person who is not interested in you. Avoid that person who acted in the name of love. Do not trust that person again and again who lied to you all the time. Never talk to that person who does not want to listen to you. Never love someone who is extremely beautiful, because that person will always prove you inferior. This is the reality. Never reveal your excessive likelihood towards someone, because that person will start neglecting you by taking that opportunity. Never express your feelings to someone who will not give proper value to it. Whatever the situation may be, do not say sorry again and again, because the offender then will not be able to understand his or her own mistakes. If somebody wants to leave you and go, do not try to guard that person again and again. You will become very cheap in front of him or her because of this. Always remember that the person who will love you in the true sense, he or she will never leave you. And the person who has left you, he or she has never loved you. Your own people are enough to make you cry with care. Do not speak out all your heart's talk to someone. A time may come when that person can hurt you using your own words. Everybody will not understand the agony of every moment of missing somebody. The one who misses someone in the true sense will understand. Love never ends. The time ends and the people change. Really, the fate is strange. Your heart loves that person more who is impossible for you to get. You can lose real friends from your life, but not from your heart. Your true love can go away from your life, but not from your heart. You should not stay somewhere where you do not have any respect. It can be someone's house or someone's heart. Being alone is not a weakness. Being able to stay alone is a capability. Everybody cannot stay alone. When you get happy without any reason, then believe that somebody must be praying for you somewhere or the other. If you want to be immortal, you don't need elixir. Your karmas are enough. Get rid of these 5 habits: seeking the kindness of others, fearing the changes, staying into the past, thinking of yourself as small, excessive thinking. Your eyes believe in itself and your ears believe in others. You should not see someone inferiorly. A beggar can also become your friend in need. The people who can take their relationship to marriage with the blessings of their families, they are the happiest people. Do not neglect poor people because it takes a lot of time to become wealthy, but it does not take much time to become poor. Those who have the habit of staying alone, they can easily accommodate themselves to the most difficult situation of the world. You should know how to give respect if you expect it in return. It is the work of a fool to expect respect without giving it. 3 steps of life. Student life. You have time, you have friends, but you do not have money. Work life. You have friends, you have money, but you do not have time. Old life. You have money, you have time, but you do not have any friends. It does not matter how good you are. It does not matter how much you help others. It does not matter how much pain you can tolerate. But still, you will not be good in the eyes of few people. A lion sleeps for 18 hours and a donkey works for 18 hours in a day. If hard work would have been the key to success, then the donkey would have been the king of the jungle, not the lion. Mindless hard work is worthless. Circumstances teach a lot to people. It teaches you to walk the path alone. It teaches you to stand on your own feet. It teaches the harsh reality. The biggest learning that it teaches you is to recognize the real faces of the people you know. If that person does not change himself or herself because of you, then understand that you are not the one with whom he or she wants to stay. Before neglecting someone, measure how much you are neglecting. Before giving pain to someone, know how much pain you will be able to tolerate. Before fooling someone, think how you will feel if you get fooled. In life, you will also have to understand the calculations. The deaths of nature are harsh. Nothing in this world is impossible. Have faith on the Creator. He will be enough to fulfill your wishes. The person who has anger issues, that person can love you a lot silently. The one who can love silently, that person's love is deep. And the one whose love is deep, his or her pain is much more. If you feel that you have lost everything, then keep one thing in mind, that the trees lose their leaves every year, but still they stand strong and wait for the good days. The animal does not have to try to be an animal, but humans have to try to be human. In a hospital, on one side a dead body is coming out, and on the other side, sweets are getting in. Someone is going to the cremation ground while someone is swinging in the new cradle. This is world. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.